If your Midea portable air conditioner is collecting water or showing a P1 error, don't worry, this is normal behavior, especially in humid weather. As your AC cools the air, it also removes moisture, and that moisture has to go somewhere. When the internal water tray fills up, the unit automatically stops and displays the P1 code to prevent leaks or internal damage. Many Midea portable AC models use a self-evaporative system, which sends most moisture out through the exhaust hose, but in high humidity or dehumidifier mode, extra water builds up and must be drained manually or through a hose. For manual draining, always turn the unit off and unplug it first. Move the AC near a drain, sink, or outdoor area. Locate the lower drain plug, remove it carefully, and let the water flow out completely. You may gently tilt the unit to release trapped water, then securely reinstall the plug before restarting. For continuous drainage, attach a hose to the upper drain port, make sure the hose slopes downward, and place the other end in a floor drain or container so water can flow out automatically during operation. To keep your AC running efficiently, clean the air filter every 2 weeks, especially in dusty or humid environments. Proper drainage prevents errors, improves cooling performance, and protects your unit long term.